This is the Champion RK-1C-125 stem rebuild for the 1.25" straight and angle valves. Now this kit comes with our seat washer and then 2 O-rings. Then it'll also come with this little slip here on the front. As we can see, it's got the item number, what it's for, and the branding. And then flipping over to the back side, we've actually got a parts breakdown shown with the list of parts included, which includes those 2 O-rings and the rubber seat washer. And then starting with a few dimensions of each part, we're going to start with the seat washer. Outer diameter first. Going to be right at about 1.75 inches, just shy of 1.75 inches maybe. And then inner diameter of that opening through the middle, it's going to be just shy of 1/2 inch, right at about probably 3/8 if that. And then the larger O-ring. Now, as you can see, it's very easy to kind of pinch and mold. So I'm going to try to keep this as perfect as I can. Now, outer diameter, looking right at about 2 1/8 inches, with an inner diameter right at 2 inches. And then last but not least, the smaller O-ring. This one's a lot thicker, a lot easier to pinch, so this one should be pretty spot on. Outer diameter right at 3/4, and then an inner of right at about 5/8. And once again, this is the Champion RK-1C-125 stem repair kit for the straight and angle 1.25" valves.